I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Your iPhone model and iOS version must match the headset requirements, and the connector type must fit. Once done, charge both devices above 50% so they won't die mid-setup. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Next, install the headset's companion app from the App Store and grant camera and motion permissions. These allow positional tracking and streaming. This initial sequence prevents common pairing failures and speeds the connection process. Now you physically mount your iPhone into the headset cradle and align the screen with the lens marks. Secure any clips so it won't shift. Then open the companion app, select your headset model, and pair via Bluetooth or the cable. Follow on-screen PIN prompts when present. Once paired, run the app's auto-calibration sequence. Adjust interpupillary distance, lens focus, and complete the 6DOF tracking routine so virtual movement matches your head motion. Make sure tracking markers are visible and lighting is steady. To finish, launch a short VR demo scene and confirm visuals are sharp. Audio plays through the headset, and input, gaze, touch, or controllers responds promptly. If things look off, fine-tune comfort settings. Lower brightness to reduce glare, balance audio, and tighten or loosen straps for stable alignment. If you encounter lag, tracking dropouts, or blank display, restart both iPhone and headset, close heavy background apps, check cable integrity, and rerun calibration. That single troubleshooting step resolves most remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.